Imagine holding a device so technologically disruptive that it doesn't just record history. It fundamentally alters the visual language of modern cinema. For decades, the filmmaking world was locked in a rigid, incredibly expensive caste system. On one side, you had massive multi-million-dollar Hollywood studio rigs, heavy, complex beasts that required entire crews to operate, but delivered that unmistakable, breathtaking cinematic aesthetic. On the other side, you had compact run-and-gun mirrorless cameras, perfectly portable and accessible, but severely restricted by physical thermal limitations, compromised dynamic range, and heavily compressed video formats. Content creators and indie filmmakers accepted this barrier as a fact of life, knowing they had to sacrifice mobility for ultimate image quality, or vice versa. But right now, Sony has shattered that barrier into a million pieces and unleashed a compact cinema weapon so aggressive, so visually superior, and so meticulously engineered that it is causing a massive panic among traditional film crew standards. This is the dawn of the Sony FX3 II. This is not a safe, incremental hardware update. This is a total ground-up architectural revolution that compresses high-end Hollywood-grade imaging directly into the palm of your hand, completely changing how, where, and when cinematic stories are told forever. To truly comprehend the sheer scale of the engineering miracle Sony has engineered inside this compact frame, you have to look past the rugged industrial exterior and dive into the hyper-advanced custom silicon and optical architecture driving this machine. At the absolute heart of the FX3 II sits a next-generation, back-illuminated full-frame sensor built on a highly advanced ultra-dense nanometer process. This isn't a recycled mirrorless photosensor tweaked for video. This is a bespoke Cinema Titan engineered solely for cinematic perfection. Sony has re-engineered the way the sensor reads data, introducing a revolutionary global readout architecture that completely eliminates the dreaded rolling shutter effect. When you pan rapidly across a scene, or when fast-moving objects dash across your frame, there is absolutely zero geometric distortion, zero bending of vertical lines, and zero visual tearing. The image remains completely stable, sharp, and true to life, delivering the exact motion characteristics previously found only on high-end cinema cameras costing tens of thousands of dollars. But a legendary cinema sensor is completely useless if a compact camera turns into a scorching hot piece of magnesium that overheats and shuts down right in the middle of a critical, unrepeatable take. This is where the engineering geniuses at Sony pulled off their greatest triumph. They completely discarded traditional, passive camera cooling designs and invented a revolutionary, ultra-silent internal active cooling matrix. This system utilizes a custom fluid dynamic fan paired with an isolated internal vapor chamber that pulls heat away from the sensor and the processing engine with staggering efficiency, completely independent of the climate you are shooting in. Whether you are filming a grueling documentary in the scorching heat of a desert, shooting a music video inside a humid studio, or capturing a long-form interview for hours on end, the internal thermal system maintains absolute peak efficiency. The fan operates in near-total silence, ensuring that your onboard or top-mounted microphones never pick up a single hint of mechanical noise. You get maximum, unthrottled,